Hello everybody, John here with Shooting Tips and Tricks, and today I'm just going to talk briefly about recent events on the channel. Now, for those of you that didn't catch all of the title, this is not a build video for the Polymer80. That video was deleted by YouTube, but if you want to check it out, it is available on my Facebook page. Now, as I said, recent events have changed on the channel here. Not as far as what I'm doing, but it's the YouTube bots have found their way to my channel and have started demonetizing various videos. Always the most popular ones. They don't touch the ones that don't get views. In particular, the very first one I uploaded was 20 pounds of exploding target inside of a stump. And that one's still monetized. Now, that aside, other than the demonetizing a few videos, and they always went through manual review first, so the option to dispute it isn't there. So I'm screwed on that regard. But given what I make off of videos, it's an insignificant amount. Now other than that, recently the complete build for the Polymer80 version 2 was deleted. And I got the email in the middle of the night, and it's, goddamn flies. I got the email in the middle of the night saying that it was flagged and manually reviewed and deleted due to inappropriate for viewers or to monetize or whatever. And I suppose with the new guidelines, that one would technically be a violation of them, since it's a build video and instruction on making a gun and all of that crap. But anyways, and since they said that it was flagged and then manually reviewed, I'm guessing some freaking anti-gun SJW POS found the video and had a vendetta against anything gun related and reported it. So, and then that one I was able to dispute it, but it was literally an hour or two after I put in a dispute. They sent me an email saying it was manually reviewed and the standing is upheld. So, I believe George Sprave said it best. They have a bot named Manual. So, anyways, and other than that, I think from here on out, when I do a video, I'm going to make a point to upload them to my Facebook page as well. So that way, if they are deleted, it'll still be available there for those that want to see it. Alright, well, I think that's about it. Just my brief little rant about what's going on. And I'll leave it here so I don't go into too much rambling. So, as always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.